Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. So I got the persona. I'm sorry, it's like 10. I was just out, I just came back and I'm really tired. So this is not persona, this is Map of the Soul 7, the set. So I'm gonna open it. This is an unboxing. Let me find something to open this with because for some reason I have yet to buy scissors. Oh, also I got all 4 albums. I don't know if I mentioned that, probably did. But this is gonna be kind of a long video considering it's 4 albums. Yes. Oh yeah, because I pre-ordered it, I got the little the thingy. These albums are huge. Holy. And this is the poster, I'm assuming. I don't know how I'm gonna. Hello? This is the albums. Look at how big they are. Usually one is like it's like the size of this. So I pre-ordered these on Reply and I got this thing for pre-ordering. Oh my god, wait. I got multiple. Ooh. Oh, for each concept. There's this one, and then this is what the back looks like. And then we got this one. Oh, and each of them are the different 7s. And then this one. And then last but not least, this one. And then they all have stands to stand them up, which I'll probably end up putting them on my desk. Now, holy crap, these albums are big. Actually, I'm gonna open this first. Oh. Are these all 4 posters? Oh my god, how am I supposed to get this home? This is gonna be such a drag. Not a drag, it's BTS. Okay, poster 1. Okay, so they're basically the concept photos. Oh, just kidding. So 3 out of 4 of them are the concept photos that I just showed you. And then there's this one. So yeah, this is version 1. Oh crap. Version 2. Version 3. And version 4. And bubble wrap. So we're gonna start off with version 1. Plastic film is coming off. That goes in the trash. So, oh wait a minute, this is not opening how I thought it would. So the album's in there. And then this is the notes, I'm assuming. I got V! Yay! Focus back on me, please. Okay. So I got V for photo card. Ooh, I can get cash for Webley with this. Full cash. And then these are the notes. This is lyrics. And there's this. And then the 7. You can't really see it that well. Which is pretty cool. Ooh! Cute! Got like this postcard. Wait, there it is. Got like this postcard, and it has signatures and stuff. And then, oh my god, oh my god, I got these stickers, but in this one they're like painted or draw wigs on them. Oh my god. And then I'm assuming this, this is nice. So this is the photo book, I think. But on the back it has this sticker, which I'm not going to tear, so I'm just gonna do that. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay, so it has this, and then, oh, they're like, no way. They're like individual, like, posters, I'm assuming. Oh! Oh, we have J-Hope. This is J-Hope. And then we got, oh, J-Hope again. And then we have RM and RM again. And then we got Suga. So Suga and Suga. Oh no, oh no. I got my stupid lip gloss on it, but I wiped it off as soon as I could. So you know what? I'm just gonna, okay, that's not gonna happen again. So moving on. Next we have V. Oh wait, whoa, that is not V, that's Jungkook. But that literally looked like V as soon as I turned the page. That was crazy. And then Jungkook again. Now we have Jimin. What a beautiful, beautiful soul. Ooh, that's a cute outfit. So here's Jimin. Here he is again. Next we have Jin. Ta-da! Ta-da! And then finally we have V. Ta-da! And then on the inside of this one is a group photo. So it looks like this. And now we're done. I really like the way they did this photo book. It's pretty cool. But I do have to say, it makes me sad it's not a traditional photo book, because I feel like I won't be able to carefully just flip through, you know. It's gonna be a little challenging because I don't want to mess it up. So in goes all of this extra stuff. And these. And I could keep this out so I can do it in a second. And then, yay, V. So, on to the next one. Okay, so version 2. Let's see who we got. Oh, I got Jungkook. This is what it looks like. And now, the concept. Again with the sticker. Boom. I really like this one. This is a very nice color scheme. So when we open it, we have a group. And then first, oh, here's another group. First person we have is J-Hope. As you can see, oh my god. And then again, J-Hope. Next, we have RM. Oh my god. Oh my god. So handsome. Speaking of handsome, we have Jin. Here he is. And here he is. Next, we got Suga. Now this man right here, officer, this man. Officer, this man. Wanted. For what? Stealing my heart. Next is Jungkook. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bitch, what? What? Ooh, Jimin. Ooh, Jimin. Holy sh! He looks so good. Look at this photo right here. That one. Next is, of course, wait till you see it. So here he is. And here he is. Do you see this man's? Do you see him? What? And then last but not least, we have a picture of all of them. I love this concept. I love this concept. Dark concepts have my heart. Especially this one. I love this one. So back in the sleeve it goes carefully. Oh shoot. Please, 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 please. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So we're just gonna shoot and oh, don't do that. That was version 2. Now on to version 3. This one and then one more left, people. Please stay with me. Please. I might have lied. That last one is my favorite concept, but this one might also be my favorite if I'm thinking of the right thing. So, also my hair looks, I feel like my hair looks like a mess in every single video I do. But I genuinely don't care, so whatever. If I cared, I would have done something with it. Y'all know the drill. Oh my god, I don't know what the photo card is. CD in here. I'm gonna hide it a little more. Then we got this. We got the WePly code thing. Okay, wait, okay, so it's flipped over now. We got the 7. Oh, wait. No, the postcard's the same for each one. The postcard, stickers, notes, lyric book, concept thing. Now, the photo card is Suga! Look at this bitch! Oh my god, he's so beautiful. Okay, I can't focus. Thank you. Okay. I'm hyped up now. Can you come out smoothly, please? Smoothly? Oh! Don't do that, bro. So again, 7. Thicker. Smoothly. All of them come out, please. Woo. Smoothly. Thank you. 7. So, first we have a group. Okay, wait. This concept might be my favorite because it's like the Last Supper type. Let me find the middle. Oh snap. So it's this picture. This is like the Last Supper picture. But first we have J-Hope. Oh my god. I literally love J-Hope so much. I really hope this last one I get J-Hope. I will cry if I do. This, oh my god. Y'all see this? Wait for it. Y'all see this? Y'all see it? Oh my god. Jimin. What the fuck? I can't. This is too much. Who's next? Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god. Suga looks amazing. I mean, he always does. But like, hello? Maybe this is why I got his photo card. Jin! Honestly, I wouldn't be mad if I had a Jin photo card as well. Hello, hi, cut off. Oh, his hair! Oh! It's so curly. It looks like the 20s style hair. Wow. And then again, we have, oh my god, I love this group photo. Okay, see, this is a toughie, but so far it's tied between this one and the last one, the other dark concept, as my favorite. We'll see by the end which one I like. Number 4. So it's the last one, y'all. Please stay with me. How I open this though? Why is this one? Ow. Now version 4, I really like the colors. I'm digging it. Oh, I didn't see it fully. Notes. This thing. Pull it over. The photo card is Jin! What did I say? What did I say? I just said I wouldn't mind getting a Jin photo card. Am I sidekick? You tell me. Anyway. This is what he looks like. 7. Slowly. What? Boom. Bada boom. And here we go. So okay, I really like this concept too. It's like happy. So here's a group. Here's a group. Can we just appreciate how beautiful they are? Like, hello? Hello? Oh, it's kind of like comic book. I love this so much. So then our first member is J-Hope and Jimin. J-Hope and Jimin. So J-Hope and Jimin. J-Hope and Jimin. J-Hope. 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 Hello? Next is probably Jimin. Oh, yes, I was right. I was right. Anyway, this one is Jimin. This one is group. So groups. Oh my god. Literally. What the heck? I love them all so much. Look at them. Look at them. Hello. Oh. And then Jimin. RM and Jungkook are next. So we got another like group. Oh my. So we got another group, and then Suga, V, and Jin, and then we got YM, you know. So next, I'm assuming it's gonna be JK. Yup, I was right. So we got more groups. This is RM and V this time. So RM's side had the group, and V's has the RMV side. So here's this. Look at these beautiful specimens. Next. Wait, what did I just say? Wait a minute, what? So these pictures have RM and Jungkook, but this are RM and V, and I just said that RM and V. I'm so confused. Anyway, here's Jungkook's beautiful face. What's going on here? That was very confusing, because now we have V on this side. Hello? And on this one we have Jin, Jungkook, and Suga, which, first of all, this picture is fucking cute. This one. Well, all of them are cute, obviously, but you know, this one. Luckily, my camera ran out of storage on a part where I made a very ugly noise because I saw Suga. So, thank you, camera, but I'm back. This is what I made an ugly noise at. Ugly noise as in good, because, hello? Whoa! Imagine you're YN, you fall, and then 7 boys just end up looking at you and staring at you, and they don't help, and holy... Hello? Y'all see this? Also, this last picture. Hello? Hello? So, photo book. Photo book. Whoa. Stickers. 7. Lyric. Notes and postcard. This thing. Whatever it is. Oh, okay, bye. And then last but not least, my photo card. So, out of these 4, I got the Jungkook, Suga, V, and Jin photo card. And this is actually the very first time I have collected a full set. I don't really have... The only old albums I have physically are the Dark and Wild or something like that. And then that's it for one of the, like, you know, first albums. And then I have 3 of Love Yourself Fear, so I'm almost done with that. I have 2 of Persona, and then 2 or 3, I think, of Love Yourself Her. And then for Love Yourself Tear? No, wait. The silver one? I only have 1, I think. And now for Map of the Soul, I have all 4 Plus, I totally just missed my trash can. Plus those photo card thingies and the 4 posters. So I am actually very, very happy with this purchase. And they're very big. As you can see, they're bigger than my head. A lot bigger than, you know, planned. But all 4 versions right here. I'm very, very pleased, very happy. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you stayed throughout the whole thing, thank you again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then maybe comment and share the video. I don't know. If you want to see more, I'm still in Korea currently, and more vlogs will be up. So I'll see you guys in the next one.